In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a comment in Google Vids. This skill is particularly useful for those of you working in teams where collaborative feedback can significantly enhance the quality and impact of your content. Google Vids has become an indispensable tool for sharing and editing video projects, and mastering the comment feature is a great way to streamline your collaborative process. First things first, let's navigate to Google Vids. You can do this by typing the Google Vids URL into your web browser. Upon reaching the site, you're greeted with a welcoming interface, ready to guide you through the video editing and sharing process. Next on our agenda is to sign into your Google account. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Google login page. Here, you're required to enter your Google account details. That's your email and password. If you're already logged into another Google service like Gmail, you might skip this step, as Google's single sign-on feature streamlines the process across its services. After successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use with Google Vids. Many of us have multiple Google accounts for personal use, work, or specific projects. This step is crucial for ensuring that your work is saved and shared within the correct environment. Now, let's dive into the main focus of our tutorial, inserting a comment in Google Vids. Once you're signed in and have your video project opened, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the specific part of the video you want to comment on. This could be a particular scene that needs revision, an effect you'd like to discuss, or any aspect of the video that requires feedback. To insert a comment, right-click outside the video project on the timeline or workspace. This will open a context menu with various options. From this list, you'll need to find and click on Comment. This action prepares the platform to receive and record your feedback. Clicking Comment opens a sidebar or dialog box depending on your screen size and the current view of the Google Vids interface. Here is where you can type out your thoughts, suggestions, or questions regarding the video project. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you and your team to communicate effectively. An extra tip for those who love keyboard shortcuts: you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus M, CMD plus Option plus M on Mac to quickly open the comment insertion prompt. This shortcut is especially handy for those who are reviewing lengthy videos and need a speedy way to note their thoughts without navigating through menus. Remember, the goal of commenting is not just to critique, but to contribute constructively to the project. Try to be specific with your comments. For example, instead of saying, "I don't like this part," you could say, "The transition at 1:32 feels too abrupt. Perhaps we can try a fade effect instead." Such detailed feedback is immensely more helpful for the person making the adjustments. Once you've typed out your comment, simply hit Post, Enter, or whatever confirmation button the interface provides. Your comment will then be anchored to the corresponding part of the video, easily accessible to anyone with access to the project. Your team members can reply to your comment, starting a thread of conversation that is attached directly to the segment in question. This feature not only makes it easier to track changes and suggestions, but also helps in organizing the discussion around specific elements of the video. In conclusion, learning how to insert comments in Google Vids can significantly enhance your video editing and reviewing process, particularly in collaborative environments. It enables you and your team to communicate more effectively, ensuring that every piece of feedback is directly associated with the relevant segment of your project. Remember, effective communication is key to producing compelling video content, and Google Vids comments are a powerful tool in achieving that goal. Happy editing! And I look forward to seeing what incredible projects you and your team can create with the help of these collaborative features.